balita na talagang nakalungkot, sumindak sa akin habang ako'y nasa Hong Kong, ay ang balita po na naghiwalay na si Bea at saka si Dominic Roque. I'm talking about Bea Alonzo and Dominic Roque. Bea is a good friend. I have known Dom when he was still a very young boy playing badminton. So ako'y nalungkot ho talaga dahil madalas pag nagkikita kami ni Bea ay nagkakakwentuhan ho kami tungkol sa buhay, tungkol sa kanila, their marriage plans, etc. So I was shocked na tama si Ogie Diaz po, si kaibigang Ogie nung kanyang balita na hiwalay na. As we talk today, yes, hiwalay po si Dominic at saka si Bea. Sinusuyo ba si Bea? Are they still trying to talk? Siguro. Maaari. Dahil sino ba naman ang ayaw maayos ang ganitong klase ng problema? As a matter of fact, from good sources, ay kagabi o nung isang gabi lamang ay nag-usap muli si Bea at saka si Dominic. They're trying to understand each other, but they're going through a rough patch. Magkakabalikan ba ito? Magtatagumpay ba sa panunuyo si Dominic or sila ni Bea? We don't know. Wala ho makakasagot ng katanungan na yun. But of course, my prayer is that may God grant them what is best for them. Ito lamang ang nalilito ako. Diyan muna tayo sa hiwalay. So I am confirming, yes, that hiwalay sila ngayon. At last night or 2 nights ago, nag-usap yung dalawa. Ano ang status? Wala. I think